We are in the High Court of Kenya that must listen to every petition. It is not a request. It is under Article 165. The judiciary's mandate is to listen, and it will listen. It will speak loudly. Read, if our case has merit, the court will give directions. Whichever directions the court will give, my client shall abide by the directions of the court.
And it's on that matter that we have come here today to seek guidance and also to be assured that the security of the assembly and that of the speaker is guaranteed, because when a leader of a caliber openly displays ignorance and says that she's going to sponsor people to come and vandalize the assembly, that is the lowest that we can get in terms of leadership.